Hi, today let's make tasty Punjabi Chikkar Chole recipe. In a cooker, add in chole, then add in some water along with some bay leaves. I'm adding in some cardamom and cinnamon stick. Now I'll add in salt to taste and at least give 4 to 5 whistles and keep it aside. Now let's make a paste. For this paste, what you need to do is in a blender, add in boiled potatoes along with the boiled chole. I've taken it from the cooker. Now I'm adding in some green chilies, yogurt along with some ginger garlic paste and blend it into a smooth paste like this and keep it aside. Now in a kadai, add in oil and then add in cumin seeds. When it starts spluttering, I've added in chopped onions. Give it a good toss. See to that the raw smell goes. Now I'm adding in some basic spices like Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder along with some garam masala and give it a good mix till the raw smell goes. Now I'll add the paste which we had blended previously and give it a good mix. When it starts sticking to the kadai, that's when you need to add in the boiled chole. Again, give it a good mix, and next what I'm doing is adding the water. Now I've not thrown away the chole water. This is the same chole water because it has the few flavors from the garam masala which we had previously added. Now I'm adding in some chopped boiled potatoes along with some salt. Give it a good mix. Now while that is boiling, let's make a tasty tadka which is of ghee, cumin seeds, dry red chilies, and when it starts spluttering, switch off the gas and add in hing along with some kasuri methi and then add it to the chole recipe, to the chole there, and then garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and your tasty Punjabi Chikkar Chole recipe is ready to serve. You can have it along with some jeera rice or else with some chapati or hot puris. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.